Hey viewer, I have that shape for editing. So we have to create new designs into that shapes we have created. Now we will use some vertical shapes to get a new design into that with different shapes of it. So there we will use that one. I will create that and also create that visual as well. So now we will create a further one in the center.